Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Seminyak area on 31st December 2021, a day before New Year 2022. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment in Seminyak area on Kayu Aya Street, Kayu Jati Street and Petitenget Street, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the situation at the moment in Seminyak area on Kayu Aya Street, Kayu Jati Street and Petitenget Street. And now we are in Kayu Aya Street. You see on the street? It looks so busy, isn't it? There is a lot of car parking beside the street. There is a lot of motorbike and car drive around on this road today. It looks so busy. Okay guys, you see at the front right side, there is red carpet. They prepared for New Year. I mean like tonight, they will have the party tonight. In Kayu Aya Street is very famous because on this street there is a lot of nice restaurant and nightclub. Also in this area there is a lot of hotels and some shopping area, Seminyak Square and Seminyak Village. We will see together how the situation at the moment right there. You see? There is some people walk around on the sidewalk and there is the shop are open right side. That's really good. Yeah, today there is a lot of shop are open in this street. Okay guys, if you see the weather today is so cloudy. I mean like it's not so clear because at the moment Bali is still in rainy season. Oh, quite busy car there parking, and also on the road there is a lot of car drive around today. That's really good. It's quite busy today, isn't it? Okay guys, actually today I also update how the situation at the moment in Kuta area on Legian Street and Pantai Kuta Street. So you can find that video in my another channel we call Bali Travel Vlog. So you can find the link my another channel and I put them in down description. You see left side? Yeah, there is a lot of car parking at the front of the hotel. That's really good. And in this area in the right side there was a Rumos restaurant, very famous, and Italian job, and also Ultimo. But I don't know, maybe they are already closed now. Ultimo and Rumos. Okay guys, now we are nearby Central Seminyak. So you can see in the right side there is some people who go to the restaurant. I think they just been shopping in Seminyak Village or Seminyak Square. Yeah, it is look busy today. I mean like there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk compared with the few days ago, because in the few days ago I already also update this area, so you can find the video down this video. Okay guys, you see at the front there is Seminyak Square. If I turn left at the front, there is the way to go to Oberoi and Kudeta nightclub. But I will turn right because we will explore how the situation at the moment in Kayu Jati Street. You see at the front left side, parking area. Yeah, there is a lot of car parking at the front Seminyak Square. That's really good. It looks so busy today. Okay, we continue driving. Yeah, there is some tourists by bakso, like bowl soup. Left side, Seminyak Village, and so many people there. Seminyak Village look busy today. That's really good. I'm really happy to see that. And in the right side, at the corner, yeah, there is a very famous restaurant we call Sister Field. A recommended restaurant and a lot of international tourists there. Yeah, that's really good. Okay, now I turn left to explore how the situation at the moment in Kayu Jati Street. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people missing Bali for sure. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. Okay, in this area is very famous with the hotels and some villa. And also this street like a connecting to go to Petitenget beach and central of Seminyak. So that's why before the pandemic there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk. They go to the beach and go to the central of Seminyak. You see right side? Yeah, there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk. And also in the right side there is one warung we call Kedewatan Warung, like traditional restaurant. You see right side? Yeah, there is a lot of car parking at the front of the hotels. That's really good. And also beside the hotel there is Motel Mexicola. Actually in this area always busy during the night time because they have like nightclub there. Okay guys, so this is the station at the moment in Kayu Jati street. And now we continue driving and then we will explore how the station at the moment in Petitenget street. Now we are in Petitenget street. If you see to the left side, that is the way to go to Petitenget beach. Oh, look busy up there. That's good. Also, there's the car parking on the right side. There was so many cars. That's really good. Petitenget street also is very famous because on the street there is some nice cafe and nightclub we call Potato Head. And also on this street there is W Hotel is very famous and lot of artists live in there. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Petitenget street. So far in this area also looks so busy. There is a lot of car drive around on the street. And also there is a lot of car parking beside the street. And some people walk around on the sidewalk. That's really good. And also you see at the front, it's like quite traffic jam, isn't it? That's really good. There's a lot of car today. Drive around on Petitenget street. Also there's some motorbike parking beside the street. Yeah, I think there is a lot of cafe. They prepare for New Year tonight. You see left side? There is nice cafe there. The bread corner, and there's a lot of people there. That's really good. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Petitenget street. You see the plate number car at the front of me? That is B. B plate number is meant that car from outside Bali. They come from Java, but they make vacation in Bali. So during Christmas time and New Year, there's a lot of car from other island outside Bali. They come to Bali to make vacation. You see right side? There is a biku, like a coffee shop, but it's very famous. Oh, that's so busy. That's really good. Yeah, at the front left side, there is the way to go to Potato Head. The main gate to go, that's nightclub. And at the front left side, there is the main gate to go to W Hotels. Yeah, it's finally in this area is also getting busy. You see at the front left side, white sign, there is Taman Ayu Bungalow, and there is a lot of people there. They also prepare for the night party. Okay guys, so this is the station at the moment in Petitenget street. So if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people missing this area for sure. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.